good point. Yabona, what you said maybe in class or in that presentation, you were spot on. So if nobody validates your statement, your action, your outfit, your hairstyle, or whatever it is, then you don't trust yourself enough. Uguti, I made a good decision.
You choose what you want to hear.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are explaining something to someone who already chose not to understand the opinion,
They've made up their minds.
yeah,
Firstly, uyazicompare ukuthi if bekunobekwa ubani, I know but I wouldn't stand a chance. Therefore, you've lost the battle before you even got into the ring.
it's like a debate of Messi to Ronaldo and yo ibola tick.
Unspoken perspectives.
Except what is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new episode of Unspoken Perspectives, a podcast where we dive deep into unexpressed ideas, emotions, and viewpoints that often go unheard. Each episode, we explore the fears and feelings that hold us back from sharing our true selves, creating a safe space for open dialogue and understanding. Through candid conversations and thought-provoking discussions, we aim to illuminate the beauty of vulnerability and the power of authentic expression. Whether you are seeking to understand yourself better, or or you simply want to hear diverse perspectives, this podcast is for you. So tune in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I am your host as Pumelele, or I am your host Pumelele as the guy Pura, and I am not alone. I am with
Onokuphiwa wakwaPopi molweni.
yeah, guys. Make sure to be ready, sit back, and So in today's episode, we'll be speaking about oh god. On today's episode, we are speaking about the fear of judgmental. First of all, I would like to define the fear of judgmental. It goes like this. What is fear of judgmental? It is the fear that people will judge us negatively based on what we say, how we act, or how we look. And it can manifest as social anxiety disorder. Yeah, apparently. Apparent, but
It's apparent for us because basically
yeah, I didn't define it as social anxiety disorder. And how did you describe and how would you describe it on your own words besides definition?
a fear of judgment.
Yeah.
Your definition, I would say it's the I honestly don't know if what I have in mind is the like your definition.
An idea of what is a fear of judgment and how it manifests in our lives.
In my opinion, judgment is being judged, obviously, based on how you do things and maneuver life in general, as opposed to other people doing their things. So the fear of a judgment is being scared to actually speak, act, experience life in general because you are scared ukuthi
You're gonna be charged.
You doing something is going to evoke a reaction from people, and you know ukuthi it's 90% of the time ayizoba positive and it's going to impact you negatively, izokudiscourage, izokutyhafisa nje yabo, and you end up regretting doing something that you did out of maybe excitement, happiness, and whatever reason.
About speaking about low definition,
Yeah.
low idea of what do you think hinders the fear of judgment? Like, what do you think is the motive behind being behind behind i-judgmental kokuqala and behind being scared to be judged.
So what prevents, is that what you mean? Being scared to be judged.
Preventing means
Hinders is like,
slow.
yeah. So
What makes to be scared to be judged? What promotes the fear of being judged? I think in my opinion,
okay, I think we're diving in, like we just
I
we're
think
going in deep. From the go.
enyindo, I do think that low self-esteem has to
Yeah,
do with
100%,
fear of being judged.
100%. You've got a very good point there. It's exactly that.
Mm.
It's relying on outside. What's the word I'm looking for? On outside validation. Ukuthi you are doing right. You had a very good point. Yabona, what you said maybe in class or in that presentation, you were spot on. So if nobody validates your statement, your action, your outfit, your hairstyle, or whatever it is, then you don't trust yourself enough. Ukuthi, I made a good decision. So once umntu axelele otherwise, then you believe them. So you don't believe in yourself. You don't trust yourself for yourself. You take outside, you depend on the next person telling you ukuthi, well done. Whereas when you're confident in yourself, you trust yourself ngobomi bakho, it doesn't really matter. Yes, it will like nje for lamzuzu like uqonda, but it's not gonna discourage you totally where you end up or keep her in, not saying your opinions, like ungafuni nje kwa participate in anything.
Have you ever? I think there's something that I recognize ngabantu.
Yeah.
Let me do example about ibhola ne.
Yeah.
I don't know kakunini, but I don't know if it falls under fear of being judged, but fear of um of expressing yourself enough. There was a situation where bebencokola ngebhola abantu ne.
Yeah.
Bencokola ngebhola. But now uthi omnye, or they have opposing opinions but they have the same idea. I don't know if I'm making sense. Like omnye uthi ubani deserves this cup. Ubani deserves this cup. So ideas was fun.
But they believe in the same person.
I think I'm mistaken. But before anything. Ideas was fun.
Yeah.
Uthi omnye no. Ngenxa yamagoli nento ethile play into indlela adlala ngayo ubani indlela adlala ngayo uyayideserve le. Athi omnye no, but because uAnobinosi unje, I don't think he deserves it. I think ubani deserves it more. So what I recognized by indoba is sense of expressing yomnye yadala ba omnye aphele esihle. Not because he agreed, but bebephikisana not in an argumentative way, but because omnye express a point that is
strong.
Yeah, like I think it was strong, or wafumana uba there's like i-perspective yakhe ayizumenza abhilive le nto ayibonayo, so waphela i-point yakhe eyiyeka
Okanye
evuma.
they didn't believe ukuthi in the way that they actually putting their perspective across, their point across, abazovakala. So they were just like, okay, let me just let it go.
Ungatsho.
Okay.
So this means why i-opinion yakhe wayiyeka phakathi.
Yeah. So they didn't actually make their point.
Ulithemba noliyona.
Yeah.
Waphela esihla ulithemba.
Okay.
Yabo. So like it's a form of le nto bendithetha uba fear of expressing.
Yeah, it's that thing of not, like, firstly, it starts with comparison. Firstly, uyazicompara ukuthi if bekunobekwa ubani, I know but I wouldn't stand a chance. Therefore, you've lost the battle before you even got into the ring, because you haven't given yourself a chance. Kandi everything else depends on you. We are going to judge you. We are going to judge you, and people are going to crucify you. But what matters the most is what you are telling yourself. You cannot then judge yourself kunye nabo. You cannot crucify yourself nawe njengabo with the whole world, because then you don't have a chance. My thing is, if you wake up in the morning uzixelele ukuthi I've got this. I'm going to make a mistake. If I make a mistake, bazothetha, but I'm not getting out of the ring. I'm going to continue. So, in this scenario that you've put across, I can already see ukuthi uLithemba was just like, okay, uLiyolo uyazibhola ngaphezu kwami. Okanye ndifundiswe nguye ibhola anyway, like andinomodlula ngolwazi and valid points. He's obviously got more valid points because mhlambi mna what I know, all of it ndifundiswe nguye. Kanti you are allowed ukubana ufumane 90%, utitshala wakho afumane 8.
But it's got situations. There are situations where you find no value in articulating the opinion yakho 100%. Like you try to articulate it, but i-perception yalamntu isn't worth you articulating it further.
So you've already played it in your mind by a reaction is what, so therefore.
No, it's a thing of the explainel.
Yeah.
And I continue explaining.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, first, before I go further, there's something at you choose what you want to hear.
Mm-hmm.
So, if you are explaining something to someone who already chose not to understand the opinion,
they've made up their minds.
Yeah, it's like a debate of Messi or Ronaldo, and yo ibola thixo ibola ndiyayithanda but andinakuyimela, because and understand why. Like abantu they are very unique in their own ways.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's common. It's not angle to miss not Ronaldo car. It's easy, but I've realized about it's common in the sometimes abantu they what's this? They rank you according to your achievements.
Yeah.
Just because I haven't achieved into a tile and you have achieved into a tile.
Yeah.
I don't think that makes.
It's fine. Go on.
I don't think that makes me unable to have a mentality.
It doesn't make you any less of a human being.
Yeah. But because you started earlier, you have more experience or you have more achievements.
Yeah.
So abantu it's like uyamamela uSifiso Ncwane mos.
Yeah.
Dumi kokustudy. Go more better in between.
They're different.
Very different.
And people have their own preferences. Some will prefer Usifiso, some will prefer uDumi.
So in the whole Messi and Ronaldo thing, if we fan Ronaldo,
you are going to go for Ronaldo noba sekuthini.
And funny enough, like as much as yes, you have your opinion, but that doesn't make you what's this? That doesn't make you uyijongile phantsi okanye uyibone ingena value.
Yeah, I think that's the one issue we have as people. We want everyone to believe in what we believe in.
Yeah.
And in a heated conversation, you forget ukuthi everybody is allowed to have their own opinion. And there's no right or wrong. Le yakho right because you believe in it and you can see it actually being the truth. But nale, you being right doesn't make the other person wrong.
Yeah.
But when it's heated, we forget that.
Because phezu kwale yakhe opinion.
Because everybody must just see things the way you see them, and they must agree with you. Kanti, that's not how we do things.
And it leads to misunderstanding, you know.
Yes.
Very. It's like abantu besilwa and understand.
Yeah. And the thing is, all of that is caused by the fact that we don't concentrate much on being better people for us. But instead, we worry a lot about what is happening around us and wanting to fix everything around us except the most important person that should be worked on, which is me. So when you get into a conversation, I don't want to say argument, siyancokola kumnandi ne, but we tend to always sifake emotions.
Yeah.
Yabo. So in a simple conversation about football, so end up as heated to start and say end up as betan. Because we've struggled, we simply didn't separate tatu emotions ubeke aside, and this needs illogic.
Yeah.
Apply logic, leave your emotions out of it, because as ngeni ndawo.
I think laundry has made me I don't know if quiet or like I choose to be more quiet because of improbability of a misunderstanding that may happen.
Yeah.
I don't mind conversating nabantu, ndiyabathanda abantu, nice, but phinde ndiyaboyika at the same time because shame.
Yeah, that's it, because you're actually missing out.
Like I don't mind conversating 100%. I love conversating nabantu, yabo.
Yeah.
But it's like umzekelo ecabeni I think most people bandibona as, I don't know if arrogant or what, but ndiyazithulela ndibe observant most of the time. So misunderstanding comes you see ukubone ikhona laa nto ithi boys one side girls one side.
Yeah.
Andikwazi ucommunicate ne-female in between abantu because already engqondweni yam kubakho i-form of misunderstanding.
You can already see uba izoyiphelela phi.
Yeah, okanye how
okanye la fear of judgment uba because kuthiwa boys aside girls aside, then already there's that eye that is watching and iseyicingela kakubi.
Yeah.
Okay, I get you.
So iba ngathi ndi-arrogant okanye anditheni nabo okanye ndiyabona ndi-cold abantu.
I see, like I was once there.
And
but it all lies with you to actually get out of that shell.
kaphinda
It lies on you to get out of that shell.
How? Which shell? Like globally?
The shell of ending up being reserved and not partaking in conversations that you would have like enlightened someone's minds, just because you fear ukuthi it's going to be misunderstood. Yeah, man.
I think depends situation. I get you.
Yeah.
I get you.
My thing is, it can't be the case more than 50% of the time.
It can't be the case more than 50% of the time.
So this is I'm trying to reply to the point you just made, Oguti. It depends on the situation. But if it's more than 50% of the situations that you end up being laid back and not voicing out what you actually have in mind, then we need to do some work.
Uti,
you getting involved in a conversation depends on a situation. Whereas in the beginning you said most of the time we reserve, like you observe rather.
I think in public spaces and quite very ndibe.
Yeah. Like it's normal. It's normal. You're not the only person. Nam dinjalo, like I read the room qala. I need to settle in and look around and see ukuthi izinto zihamba kanjani before I can actually open up if there's an opportunity. Yabo.
Have you ever had a fear of judgment?
I've struggled a lot.
What was the case? Like, okay, in a situation highlight.
I can't think of like any event that is like that stands out now, but throughout life
in the
nje
long
you are
run.
being judged. You're being judged ba uphuma kwikhaya elinjani, ukhuliswa ngabazali abanjani, what do your parents do, what schools you go to you go to church, do you not go to church. When we reach teen stages siqala amakhwenkwe, then you are judged ba omnye uthanda amakhwenkwe omnye akawathandi. Nobody knows the details and like nobody has information eyiyo about you, but there's something that is being said that is sensitive ngawe.
Yeah.
Ithethwe as if these people are living with you ekhaya minute to minute, going outside, they are right there next to you, like bayithethe babesho uqonda yabo uqonda hayibo like baxela
nolwimi abantu
uvele uqonda okay. And some of them are heartbreaking uqonda hayi nkosi yami into le ndenzile ingaka for them to think this about me.
yeah.
And loo nto it does have like a huge impact on how you turn out to be. It's a result of the early age depression. And it begins it begins with your confidence being broken down into pieces. You don't believe ukuthi there is good that can come out of you because uzalwa ngubani? Kubani owayeke waphumelela pha? Hayi bo benilindele nto like umntu xa eva kuthethwa ngawe into erongo akabuzi ukuthi oh hayi bethuna bekutheni, hayi mani ayifani naye. Uyayixolelwa immediately athi ba hayi fanele kaloku uphuma phi ngowaphi. And it's so sad and unfortunate that has become our norm to a point where it's so hard to unlearn because when uyayibona neba irongo, how many other people around like le area yethu wenze nje umzekelo, you've got a neighbor right, left, front, back. Out of izinto ziyi 1 2 3 4 5 ngale xa ucinga nje is it easy to make just the few abalapha ecaleni kwakho bayibone before you even go outside apha endlini our family?
Yeah, iqala isifemelini.
Yabo.
Qala isifemelini.
Why do you think we have family feuds? Because we don't see eye to eye.
And the perception of inequalities. And uba ubani uthanda yenze into ethile yenze into ethile manje ifumana into ethile. In the long run.
Therefore ucinga uba ungcono.
Yeah, in the long run it tends to be
a problem, a huge problem.
And it does create resentment emntwini.
It does.
It does. And there's this question, like probably not question, it's a common I don't know if common does sweet. How does the fear of judgment how it manifests our lives? I'm gonna read it out. Yeah, I'm gonna read it out, guys. The fear of judgment that develops have an impact on all areas of life. If it's not dealt with or overcome before it progresses, the fear of judgment that develops can impact all areas of life if it's not dealt or overcome before it they are paused before I want to put in. The fear of judgment that develops can impact all areas of life if it is not dealt with or overcome before it progresses. As we go through life, that fear of being judged can affect our relationships, friendships, jobs, social scenarios,
Yeah.
and even the ability to look after
Yeah.
ourselves.
True.
And it does, social scenarios. Fana nomuntu ondihlebayo, ah, yababona abantu abanixoxisa ngawo.
You know.
Yeah.
You know.
But it depends, like, I don't know if it depends. How do you know them kanye yabo? Abanye they do bona but ndinxibe kahle namhlanje, so
Okay,
unalaa
like
nto.
ubona okay, this one is a
Yeah,
positive
like
one.
ikunika la positive
Njengami bendike
perception.
ndava ndihletywa bengandiboni qha but bethetha kamandi phaya emsebenzini.
Abuqonde, yeah.
Ndaqonda uba andingaveli.
Ibe khona laa judgment, like laa okwakuhletywa uqonde. No man.
And also
Ayikho.
nabo uyabasinda xa uthe gqi umntu ethetha kakubi ngawe uqale kurhwacele yena because ebengalidelanga uba uzombhaqa.
And ndiyakhona kumbonisa umuntu uba ndikubhaqile, uyandihleba. Then uba uzambona, I think, I don't know, ndiyathanda uattenda ii-moments ezi-awkward. If I feel ndikwenzela awkward, by being quiet siyiplay off ingona uzoba awkward worse.
Yeah.
So vele ndibe uyandihleba. If awundihlebi nganto ebhele ndiza kubona ngendlela ozoresponda ngayo.
Yeah.
Hayi yabo uthetha, hayi no man, like ndi-free kanje, I don't know.
Yeah.
I love loo nto like
Uyenze simple.
yeah.
Simplify.
Have you ever had a relationship, friendship, social scenario affected by fear of judgment?
Yeah. Like you take a break sometimes from friendships. Okanye uve ba ithobi yakho a certain friend ikuhlebile kwenye. Then another one decides bazokuxelela mhlawumbi. Okanye rotate and then you're the last person. Because ekugqibeleni you are going to know about it. Then because now it affects trust. Ne? You end up not trusting because you like, okay, this one uzongixelela, ne? Umbelieve apha phambi kwakhe because it's fueled up or whatever. But then you think ba, how was she comfortable?
Yazi umuntu onjalo, like ozohamba uyothetha then enze ngathi yonke, like umuntu okuqhathayo, I don't know if ndim. Xa umuntu eza kuqhatha wagqiba phinde azozenza right kuwe.
Yeah.
Aphinde ahambe. Andinayo i-sense of wanting i-answers.
So because you don't trust them, so you could want the answers and attend to it. You could not ask and just move on with life. Bottom line, awuzobathemba. Because bekukho ubani kukho nobani. You don't know ukuthi lo uzoxelela unyanisile. You don't know if khangathethe nyani yena. You don't know if she was not or he was not the one who actually started this whole thing. End up uhlala uqonda okay manje sizihlalele.
Yeah. Speaking about law, I think one mistake, I think it's common mistake yoba just because, let's say, omnye comes and tells you, come and tells you, like abantu they take that opinion and mix it with emotions. Okanye it's like I think laa nto yoba i-story sibe namacala ayi-two.
Yeah.
So the side of the story you heard,
we run with it
and take it to heart before you get to know the full story. So immediately you see by the other side.
You've already made up your mind.
And
because then akuthiwe uthe uqonda
emotions about it.
How could?
Yeah.
By the time uziva second ophinde uqonda.
So grand emoyeni kanye enhlizweni.
Sendihead.
How
sendidecide
if to someone who suffer from a fear of judgment, how would you advise them to deal with it?
Work on yourself. I always say ukuthi everything that hits you in life, it breaking you okanye building you, depends mostly on where you are with self. Work on yourself, man. I can't emphasize more. Like, I don't know how to but the most important thing is that whatever finds you in life, mayikufumane ukwi-grounds ezi-right.
Yeah, yeah.
Position yourself in life in a way that mawungagivezeliswa yinto yonke. Like, work on yourself to a point where you've got izinto that zithethwe uqonda uba I'm not moved, not by a little inch. Like, akho not even umthambo. It doesn't enlighten anything apha kuwe. When people come to you with negativity, be able to not always react.
And I want to add something on working on yourself. Guys, working on yourself doesn't require a specific method or way of doing. Like you get to understand yourself, which one works for you, what you like, what brings you peace, like what is good for
what
you.
is important
to you.
Because remember, what's important to you is not important to
the other person.
So it's different. Your priorities are different from omnye umntu. Omnye umntu doesn't mind being spoken about negatively. Omnye umntu doesn't. When are you do when actually? So you need to
adjust yourself. And please make sure to guys comment down below, how do you deal with fear of judgment? And also do advise how should someone else deal with it, or speak your mind out through the comment section, guys. And I think that might be all. I don't know.
I do want to say though, working on yourself could start with you telling you positive things about you. Normalize ukuthetha positively with self and about self. And sukuzisizela. Don't pity yourself. You are more than capable. You are created fearfully by God, and wonke umuntu is a creation of God. You are able, and there's a place for you. Makungametarishi what is said about you outside you more than what is happening in you. Be able to hype yourself up. When your friends are not believing in you and you believe so much, don't die inside and end up. When your friends don't believe in you and you believe so much in you, don't let your inner self die within just because nobody believes in you. No, it shouldn't be like that. Be your number, like be able to hype yourself up when there's no one. God is always there. God is always there. Uthandaze until something happens. Because akukho mntu understand more than you understand yourself. You know what is troubling you and what is best for you and what you want. My thing is, if you are meant to say something at a certain time, don't miss the opportunity. If you are meant to act at a certain time or place, don't miss that opportunity, because there's a reason why God wanted you to say something.
And speaking about saying izinto at a certain time, I don't know if it's me, but let's say an interaction happens, I respond a certain way, I like after no interaction sense like kuba kunethi qatha, no man ngendithe. I don't know how to practice loo nto to happen less.
That's why ngithi we have to do some work so that you get out of the shell. Because you live kakhulu in your mind. So you overthink into before you actually put it across, and you end up not doing it. So you are missing opportunities to educate, to warn, to encourage, and to motivate omnye umntu to do something good. And ke ngoku you are going to answer for laa nto kwakumele uba uyithethile wayithetha, laa nto kwakumele uyenzile wayenza. Wa-end up usenza into yakho ngexesha lakho. Wa-end up ungenzi kumele uba wenzile.
Guys, that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to, even if you didn't enjoy, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Share also with your friends, share with your Share with someone whom you know that still suffers from a fear of judgment.
Yeah.
Encourage them, advise them. This is an open space, an open dialogue. Like, feel free to
And
run
there's
the
no
comment
judgment
section.
here.
Share your opinions in the comment section about what we've discussed here. With love, subscribe and see you on the next
Next
video.
one.
Ha ha ha.
Bye.
Exactly.